first and last install outside. James, tell him what you did. Tell him what you did.
We fucked shit up.
On what holiday?
Thanksgiving. I had to get towed on Thanksgiving.
Why'd you have to
Get fuck shit up. That's it, plain and simple.
Let's show him what we did. Let's show him. Not we. I don't even. There is no we here.
Britt egged me on.
See what that is right there? That's what we call a half shaft. You know what the half shaft did? What did it do?
Now it's 2 pieces.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the half shaft. We're gonna put in a stock one, which he has over here. Thank you, Brian. She has over here. We're gonna put this one in. He's gonna get the upgraded one rebuilt. You're a dick.
Yeah. All the bolts are just sitting in the subframe. It's kind of cool.
Wait, what do you mean?
Look, if you look, all the bolts are sitting in here.
Oh yeah.
You see the bolts are all greased up and everything.
Oh my god. Did they crack though? They didn't crack in the frame,
I don't know.
right?
We're about to find out. No, they didn't. They didn't break anything.
Right.
Yo, it exploded. It just went poof, and all you hear was dunk, 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 dunk.
Yeah. How many times did we hear a half shaft crack on the track?
I don't know.
We kept saying, "Oh, thank God it's not you."
Yeah. And now look. You know, I was already moving too.
Yeah.
Just bing.
Damn.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright, so what we did so far is we're taking off the brake and we're taking off the vertical link, which is connected to the hub. Pretty much what we're doing is disconnecting this whole frame from the half shaft. The half shaft goes right to here. So anything that's connected to the rotor, we're dropping away from it so we can take the half shaft down and put the new one in.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yeah, I think we broke something. We might have broke something.
Mother. Just rotating everywhere, bro.
It's okay. Leave that. That's fine. So it looks like all the holes where the bolts are that attached this plate to the other plate of the part that goes into the diff. It looks like all the bolts just sheared off.
Show them the other side.
And then as I was still driving, it messed it up just a little bit.
Did you look into the diff?
The other piece is still on there. I gotta take it off.
Damn, bro, that's gross.
Yeah, this is fucked up.
Alright, as you guys just seen and James explained to you, is the half shaft when you do launch, or if you're in a car that is powerful, even though he has upgraded half shafts, what horsepower did your half shafts hold? 1200 horsepower, and he was probably running on 10.5 pounds of boost, which was 7 and change, and he still snapped them in half. The reasoning for that is because he had his traction control not fully off. Let's show him a comparison. Let's show him that one and this one. Now this is one that did not snap.
This is an OEM one.
Yeah, well this is an OEM one. He had the upgraded. What
This is drive shaft shop.
Drive shaft shop. Yeah, I remember that. That's what happens after you blow it up, right there.
But you see, this can easily be rebuilt because they just got to take all this off, re-grease it, put a new
cap on,
whatever the hell it's called, and then put new bolts in. And then some of the bolts are still in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like right there's a bolt, right there's a bolt. I don't know, but they can always change this piece.
Yeah, 100%. So you can have one stock one on?
Yeah, and then I'm just gonna wait till I get the upgraded one back because I don't want to. If
Yeah.
it broke an upgraded one,
Yeah.
the stock one is gonna.
All right, so now we're gonna put this one back in, and we'll get back to you once it's in. I'm gonna show them what we did first before we put it in. What we were trying to do was just disconnect the vertical link and disconnect the brake and the control arm, and just and get the half shaft out, but that didn't work, so we had to disconnect the full hub from everything so it could fully drop.
Just like the ones I used to know. The white Christmas, of the white Christmas. Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
The last piece of the puzzle. Oh wait, no, we still gotta tighten that center lug.
Brakes all in. I left one pad out because James been pissing me off.
Can I get that impact? I got it. Yeah.
Drop it like it's hot. Imagine just all fell.
Woo!
What time is it?
11:25.
11:25. We started at what? 10:30.
10:30.
An hour.
That's a little amateur time.
All right. Now to clean up all this mess, put the wheels back on, and I'm never
Right,
going
you
in the
got it,
cold
right?
again.
It's a bit alive.
Something doesn't sound right.
E85 cold starts. Don't try to keep it on. Let it just go by itself.
I'm letting it die out by itself.
Cold weather's coming. Cold weather's coming. When he knows it's E85, but he's low-key nervous.
Nah. It did this when I picked it up.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go for a test drive, make sure everything is tight and we don't hear any noises, and we'll get back to you.
Hearing any noises so far? Oops.
No noises. We didn't even back out the garage yet.
No, yo, you would have heard it.
Yeah. I'm gonna go around the block real quick. I'm not even gonna attempt to put these seatbelts on because they're a pain in my ass. Sounds perfect.
Yeah. I did another perfect install.
Like James said, you would hear the half shafts. Anything with a suspension, you usually hear like right away.
Yeah,
So-
like yesterday when I was still rolling, it would go click, 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 click,
Really?
click, click. Because at first it was only hanging on one bolt, and then I guess like from the tow truck and it bouncing and whatever, that last bolt just
It fell right off.
fell off, and then it wasn't going at all.
Damn. On Thanksgiving. And you can't even like hit it now because we have one stock half shaft in the car, and that is good for maybe 400 horsepower.
They don't even last with the stock Mustang.
Yeah. So he can't hit it. What are you gonna do? You're gonna send it right back?
I'm gonna send it to them, and then they can put. I don't know what it's called, but they're just gonna put another end onto it, and then we should be good.
How long do you think that'll take?
Probably a few weeks.
Yeah, right.
But it's winter. What
Yeah.
are we doing?
I'll
I
tell
don't
you.
care.
I'll tell you guys right now, and I'm telling him. He already knows. That is the last install outside. We will find the garage. We will find the garage. It's cold. I can't be wearing thermals. I hate the cold as it is. But we want to say thank you guys for watching. We didn't have a video this week because of Thanksgiving. We wanted everybody to stay on social media. We'll see you next weekend. Thank you guys for watching. See you Thursday. You have anything to say?
Later.